Hello, this is Rip with IMSI Design, and today I'm going to take a look at entity marks, specifically the property set definitions. So to create a property set definition, I go over here in the Style Manager palette and I can hit the Create New Style button. Now what am I going to create a definition of? So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and mark the area for all the floors in this drawing here. So I'm going to name my style floor. I'm going to hit OK. And then over here I can just, down in the Style Manager palette to the right of Property Definitions, I'm going to just left click and it will bring up the Property Set Definition dialog. So here we got Applies To. I can do Select All, Clear All, but I want this to apply to polylines. And so now I can add a property definition. I'm going to choose Automatic and choose Area, hit OK, and then I'm going to create a couple others. I'm going to do Manual, I'm going to do Cost, and I'll have the default value be 20. And I'll do another manual. I'm going to do Floor Type, and it'll have the default value be carpet. Hit OK, OK, and now I can apply these property set definitions to objects. So if I select something, I can go to the Selection Info palette, under General, go to Property Sets, and check Floor. So I can just go ahead and do that for the rest of the floor in the drawing. Floor, OK. Select everything. F5, refresh. All right, now I need to remember I put the defaults as carpet, and so not everything here is carpet, so I can, after the property set's applied, I can go into floor and change this to kitchen tile. I'll change this one to wood. Let's say I'll change the cost to 40. And then I can change this one from carpet to bathroom tile. Let's change the cost to 30. And I'll do the same for this other bathroom. Okay, so now that I've added property definitions to all these different objects, I can now mark them. So to mark them, I need to create a marker. I've already created a block here, and let's edit the contents. So all I have right now is this is just a polyline with a fill in it and some text. And so now to make this work with the property set definitions, I'm going to need to go to Insert Block Attribute Definitions. So then I'll go ahead and start with floor type. So I'm going to type the name of the property set and then the definition. Finish. Let's do that for here. Type the name of the property set and the definition. Finish, and one more time. Let's move this over a little bit and finish. And now I am ready to add the markers to the drawing. So I'll go to the Insert menu, choose Entity Mark. Now I can click the floor, oops, I forgot one step. I need to go back to the selection of the Style Manager palette, and I'm going to go to Entity Mark Definition. So I've got to choose which marker I'm going to use. I need to add that block to the Entity Mark. So I'm going to go to Entity Mark Definitions, choose if I don't have one, I can create a new style. Then I'll go to Value, click here. I'm going to go to Top, go to Add, and the name of my block was Marker. So this has both the block that I created and then the attribute definitions in there as well. So I'm going to hit OK. Okay, so now this is for the view directions. I can actually have different markers in different directions. So if I looked at it from the top, side, view, left, right, etc. This is only a 2D drawing, so I won't get into that right now. And I'll go ahead and just hit OK. And now, finally, I can add the markers to the drawing. So I'm going to go to Insert, Entity Mark, and I click Floor. And see, I can add these markers, and it's going to calculate the square feet for me, the cost that I'd put in before. So zoom in, it tells me, okay, so something screwy happened with the floor type. So let me go back to Property Set Definitions, Property Definitions, Floor Type. So what did I type in the block? I think I only typed in type. So I'm going to go back, edit the content here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this and insert block attribute definition. So it's going to be floor, floor type. Hit finish. Check edit content. So let's see if it's now corrected itself. There we go. So if something's missing, you most likely did something wrong. So then you can go back and fix it afterwards. So now when I insert an entity mark, it shows me the floor type, the area, and the cost per square foot. All right, and that's about it for today. If you want any other information, you can send an email to support@imsidesign.com. If you want to download a demo of TurboCAD, you can visit us on the web at turbocad.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.